Let me address the subject of push and pull so that you can understand in the context of Git. GitHub offers you a free code editor online, and it is on this interface, and I'll show you how it works. And maybe you want to edit this index.html. I just open it. You just need to do that, and then you come here, edit this file. This icon looks like a pen. I'll click the edit this file, and then it will open in a code space. It's actually called a code space. It is a online editor in GitHub. Let's say you want to write h1. Use a tag, maybe working on this. You see, it even auto completes whatever you are writing here. So it acts as an online editor, right? Maybe let's say Maxipy. YouTube. YouTube channel for productivity. And this is how you do it. You are committing. Right now I'm committing the changes, but now I'm following the process of how to commit a change, just like how you open a command line or the terminal, and you write, you make a change, you add the changes, and then you make a commit note. It works the same way. It works in the same principle, only here that your work has been made simpler. So commit message, this comes as an automatic feature. You can, here it is saying you have updated index. You can name it how you want. Maybe here you can call it updated index.html. You can add a description of what you have done, and then you can create a new branch, or you can commit directly to the main branch. So I'll just commit the changes. It is following the same process as you do in the command line, only here that it is efficient and made simpler. Now I have committed the changes. Let's say I go back to my repository, and then I modify here. I modify something. Oh, need to open this with a CMD, and then code. Let's say I decide to modify the index.html. I'll call it P. There's P, there's that. Welcome to the challenge. We just call it that. Then I'll decide to open the terminal, and then new terminal. Need for it to identify the yes. So I'll just git add all the changes, or git add all. Just added all the changes. Then git commit added a paragraph tag in a HTML file. That is what I've done in the picture, the changes that I've made. So after that, I need to push git. You will see that it will bring an error, and I'll show you how you are supposed to solve it. Git push, an error must have, sorry for this. Git push origin main. You see that an error will appear. Yeah, here you have the error. The reason the error has appeared here is that I've made changes to my local or remote repository, that is the GitHub online, the online work, and it is not synced to this project that I have in my folder. And so Git is able to sense that there has been some changes and you need to merge them. So I'll show you how to solve this error. CLS is that. So what you need to do is that you need GitHub makes it a priority for the online work or the changes to come to your local project, and so that you can sync them up, and now from there you can now push back to your GitHub repository. That is how Git works. So I need to git pull. This is where I introduce you to git pull. I need to pull the changes. Git pull. That is the function of this command. It pulls the changes from an online repository. Alright. If I just hit enter, now you can see it has enumerated, counting, compressing. It's all that. It's all that. Conflict. There's all that, and yeah. So I need to repeat again the command that I was using. Git add is all. Okay, let me go back to the file. Okay, it's actually a perfect example to explain this. So as I had typed this command, you can see there has been some changes here on this file. This means that the green one represents the new change from my online repository, and it reflects on green. Remember this line that you have just written on the GitHub account or a repository. All right, and here it is that the message that has been highlighted in blue, it has been the change that you have done in our project folder or in our project files, but now it has not been pushed back to our online repository. Now you have an idea of how push and pull works. Git pull makes sure that you pull the changes from the online repository, and for the push you have to make the changes that are in your project folder are taken back to your online repository. So that is the concept behind git pull and push. So I'll finalize on pushing the files online. So I need to git add all, then the working directory lf will be pressed by right, git add all, git status. Your branch has diverged. Here is how now you can merge all the changes. Remember, you have done a change in your local or in your local project, and now the online repository. I need to merge all the changes. This is the command that we are supposed to write. Git merge. I have to commit the changes first. Alright, so git, have to continue git add all, git add commit there is HTML modified. Now I can hit git merge. Alright, so everything is okay right now. Git status. When you have pulled, you need to add all the changes first, and after that you can commit. After you have committed, now you can git merge. After you git merge, you can now push all the changes that have been there, and as you can see, alright, not now, it hasn't reflected, so I need to change to git push, git push origin main. So that is that. That's already gone. If I just go back to my online repository and I refresh it, the index.html. Now here it is. Here is how now you can view the changes that have been added. Alright, so that is how git push and pull works. And after you have pulled and pushed, you need to edit these files. You need to delete search. The reason why these lines come, these lines, is just you can figure out which has been added from either of the two, the project folder or the online repository. Here this line separates from where the changes have come from. For the next episode, I'll talk about how to host a HTML or static websites online for free. This is for free, totally for free.